In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on your Squarespace website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to create and manage digital product listings seamlessly. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all the features your website has to offer. From here, look for the Products and Services section and click on it. This is your gateway to managing everything related to the products you wish to offer. Once you're in the Products and Services area, take another step forward by clicking on Products. This is the section where all your current products are listed, and from here you'll be able to add new offerings to your digital storefront. Next, click on Add Product. This option is designed to guide you through the process of uploading new items to your store. When you do, you'll see several choices. Since we're focusing on digital goods today, select the Download option. This feature is specifically tailored for selling digital products like ebooks, music, or any downloadable file you wish to offer your audience. Now it's time to fill up the product details. Be sure to enter a clear and enticing product name. Provide a detailed description to inform your customers about exactly what they're purchasing. Here's a tip. Use engaging language and emphasize the key benefits to make your product stand out. You can also set the price, but keep in mind to offer a competitive rate that reflects the value you are providing. Following this, you'll need to set up your product forms. Product forms allow you to gather essential information from your customers. Customize these forms to capture whatever data you need, whether it's a preferred email address for delivering digital files or feedback on their purchasing experience. Don't forget to add a product image. A captivating product image serves as the first impression and can significantly influence buying decisions. Use a high-quality image that represents your digital product well. Once your image is in place, it's time to configure your product inventory. For digital items, you won't need to worry about running out of stock, but it's still crucial to complete this step accurately, especially if you intend to integrate limited-time offers or exclusive products. Afterward, we'll look at setting up your selling tools. This includes choosing the payment options you want to offer your customers. Squarespace provides several secure payment gateways, so pick the ones that best align with your audience's needs. The next step is all about setting up your marketing. Leverage Squarespace's built-in tools to promote your product. This can include email campaigns or social media sharing to reach a broader audience. Finally, once everything is set up, don't forget to click Save. This crucial action ensures that all your settings and product details are properly stored and ready for your customers to view. And there you have it. You're all set to start selling digital products using Squarespace. Just follow these steps and you'll be successfully managing your digital storefront